Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery of your Mazda 3 key. It's a simple process that you can do yourself with just a few tools. First, make sure you have a fresh CR 2032 battery ready. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver. Remember to wrap the screwdriver tip with tape to protect your key fob from any scratches during the process. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by pressing the small release button on the back or side of your key fob to slide out the metal auxiliary key. Set this key aside. Next, look for a small slot or seam along the edge of the key fob case. Carefully insert your tape-wrapped flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to pry the two halves of the case apart. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Carefully use your taped screwdriver to gently lift and remove the old battery from its holder. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented, usually with the positive side facing upwards. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob case. Gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Once the case is closed, slide the metal auxiliary key back into its designated slot until you hear a click, confirming it's locked. Finally, test your key fob with your Mazda 3 to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working correctly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.